After connecting to Wi-Fi, scan the QR code on the screen or enter the pairing code to link with the mobile app. Upload your photos or videos through the mobile app. You will receive a notification when they arrive. Swipe the screen to switch between photos or videos. Explore additional practical features. Switch between slideshow playback modes to customize your viewing experience. If you particularly enjoy a photo or video, click the heart-shaped button in the lower right corner. To save it to your favorites album for exclusive playback. AI optimization and AI restoration features. Use the AI colorization feature to add color to your black and white photos. View all uploaded photos and videos in the gallery section. Insert an SD card. To view photos and videos from the card directly in the album.